Good day, everybody. My name is Origenous Mogoatlhe, and I'm the Deputy President of Information, Communication and Technology Union, that is ICTU. Predominantly, we know that as a trade union, most of our members are black people. And we know that what is history with regards to black people. And we've got what we normally term as black tax. And if the bank's action of trying to unbank Indy, for instance, you've got black people that are working in Indy. And what does black tax tells you that this unbanking has some serious ripple effects. You've got more than 10 times the number of employees in Indy that are going to be affected. And what are we saying? Are we saying that are we fighting poverty in the country? Clearly the banks is not speaking to that same language. At first, when the news broke out, the first issue was that, comrades, we are not going to be paid. And he said, now, first of all, there is an intention. It has not been executed yet. That is in the current one of Standard Bank. In the previous one of Nedbank and all that, but we know what transpired thereafter. So that's why I'm not going to touch on that. In the current one of Standard Bank, they were like scared because it came just not far from their payday. And they said, hey, we are not going to be paid. I remember we were in Durban when it came through. We were having a training there of shop stewards. And we said, but relax. This is just an intention. And we know that Sekunjalo will not lie down, not challenging this. And indeed, we have seen that it's been challenged. And in our attempts to allay fears, we made it a point to say, we are in collaboration with Indy and some of Sekunjalo companies and Sekunjalo itself to say that we are there to assist in whichever way we can. And we meant that, and we still mean it today, that we will not sit back while all these challenges are going through. We will fight and make it a point that they are being brought right, because we cannot allow our members to suffer. We cannot allow South Africans to suffer, all because of the greed of one group. We cannot. It is wrong. So this tells you that workers are under siege. And for that to be assisted upon, the trade union needs to put on its war boots and go to war. And ICTU is calling for that, to say they will go to war. ICTU will never be scared. I know that banks can come and say, we're going to unbank you, ICTU. Come on, unbank us. Because that's your intention, to not be fought. But we will fight you, because we are not scared of anybody. As long as we are within the parameters of law in this country, we will not be scared to go and fight everybody that comes against us and our people. Remember, if you don't get the full picture, you'll assume things are right. You go to all these other publications, they will give you the wrong side of the picture. The reason why independence media is being fought like this is because they give you the perspective of both sides. And you get to see that the other side is being sugar-coated. And when you as indie journalists bring the proper picture, they fight you. And that's what they want to cut out, a proper picture of South Africa.